So I opened the case all up here. Give me a quick peek at it. So I have it all open. I have the fans there already. I have other fans coming for up top and on the back here and stuff. Those haven't come in yet. They should be here though tomorrow. But in the meantime, I got a couple things. I got quite a bit to do. So I ordered a power supply unit, 850 watt. It should be enough. I mean, I can always upgrade it if I need more. Usually I go with the Cooler Master, but I didn't. I was trying to save a few dollars on this rig, and this was the EVGA was a little bit cheaper. So I went with this. It's 850 watts. Should be more than I need, but like I said, that's I'm gonna put the power supply in next.